here.
Here we go. Yep, you hit your head there, didn't you? Okay. All right. Watch this. Let's see how we did. Here we go. All right, keep on from stomping it. Good job. Good job, lady. Good.
Look out! Behind the wall!
Oh, good timing! She is not attractive anymore. Oh, good footsie. Excellent work. Good job. Oh, it's all right.
Here it comes! Everybody up here!
It's a horror movie. It's a horror movie. Good job, running. Well done, running. Audience, you guys are fantastic. Good.
Hurry! Hurry!
Perfect. What did you eat today? That's the other challenge. You did great. You're going to win an Oscar for this. Okay. Tinkerbell has ADD. Don't tell anyone. Watch this. All right.
Oh no! Oh no! We got to get these people out of here!
It's like a kung fu movie. That's great. Come on.